Bird and Kip. Bird is sick. Episode 1. Bird feels awful. Bird was sick. Her throat was scratchy and her head hurt. Even her feet ached.
I feel awful,
moaned Bird.
Poor Bird,
thought Kip. Kip wanted to help Bird feel better.
I will bring something to her,
he said. Kip thought about what Bird liked. Then he had an idea.
Pizza crust,
said Kip.
Bird loves pizza crust. I'll find a good one for Bird.
Kip went to the boardwalk. He looked in some trash cans. Soon Kip found a perfect pizza crust. It had the brown bubbles Bird liked.
Bird will love this,
Kip said. On the way home, Kip saw Seagull.
Hi, Seagull,
said Kip.
Bird is sick. I'm bringing a pizza crust to her.
Seagull looked at the pizza crust. Said Seagull.
I don't think that's a good idea.
Bird and Kip. Bird is sick. Episode 2. Kip feels awful.
What do you mean?
Kip asked Seagull.
Bird loves pizza crust.
But Bird is sick,
said Seagull.
You should bring her some noodle soup.
Noodle soup?
Said Kip.
Yes,
said Seagull.
Bird will like noodle soup.
Kip saw Pigeon.
Bird is sick,
said Kip.
I'm taking a pizza crust to her.
Really?
Said Pigeon.
When I'm sick, I don't like to eat. Why don't you bring her some warm blankets?
Warm blankets?
Said Kip.
Yes.
Said Pigeon.
Bird will like warm blankets.
Kip saw Squirrel.
Bird is sick,
said Kip.
I'm bringing her a pizza crust.
Bad idea,
said Squirrel.
Hot tea is much better.
Really?
Asked Kip.
Yes,
said Squirrel.
Bird will like hot tea.
Kip was confused. He didn't know what to bring Bird.
Oh, no!
Cried Kip.
Now I feel awful too.
Bird and Kip. Bird is sick. Episode 3. Bird feels better, Kip feels better. Kip felt awful. He left the pizza crust on his branch. He went into his hole.
Bird doesn't want a pizza crust.
He thought.
She wants noodle soup, blankets, and tea.
Kip made noodle soup and tea. He found some blankets.
I'll bring these things to Bird,
He said.
Hi, Bird.
Said Kip. Said Bird.
I brought you some things.
Said Kip. Kip gave the soup and the tea to Bird. Kip put the blankets over Bird's feet.
Thanks, Kip.
Said Bird. Then Bird noticed the pizza crust.
Oh,
Said Bird.
is that pizza crust for me too?
Kip was surprised.
Yes.
Said Kip.
It is for you. Pizza crust is my favorite.
Said Bird.
You know just what I like, Kip.
Said Bird.
I'm feeling better already.
Kip smiled. He was feeling better too.